Hi, this is Dr. Sid with ScoliSMART NYC. If your child was recently diagnosed with scoliosis, the first step is not to panic. The first step is to understand the curve, the growth window, and what questions you should be asking next. Many parents are told to monitor the curve and come back for another x-ray. But monitoring should not mean guessing. Parents need to know what signs matter, what numbers matter, and when the plan should change. The first question is curve size. The Cobb angle tells us how large the curve is on x-ray. A simple way to think about it is mild is 0 to 25 degrees, moderate is 25 to 45 degrees, and severe is over 45 degrees. The second question is growth. A child who still has a lot of growth left may have a higher risk of the curve changing. One common way doctors estimate growth is the Risser sign, which is graded from 0 to 5. Lower Risser stages usually mean more growth remains. Higher stages usually mean the child is closer to skeletal maturity. The third question is curve type. A thoracic curve is higher in the chest area, a lumbar curve is lower in the back, a double curve has two major curves. Each pattern can behave differently. This is why scoliosis decisions should not be based on one number alone. The location and pattern of the curve matter. The fourth question is change over time. One x-ray gives us a snapshot. Two x-rays tell us the trend. If the curve is stable, that tells one story. If the curve is increasing, the next step may need to be different. So after a new scoliosis diagnosis, parents should ask, what is the Cobb angle? How much growth is left? Has the curve changed? What signs should we watch? And what should we do now? At ScoliSMART, our case review helps parents understand the curve, the growth window, the risk factors, and whether our ScoliSMART's neurospine care program may be the right next step. You do not need to make every decision today. Start with clarity. Request a case review with ScoliSMART and let us help you understand what your child's scoliosis means.